All right, so as you can see here, I have a brand new cervical pillow ready to be unboxed. It is made out of memory foam, as you can see. Very excited to get this out of the box so we can begin the review. All right, as you can see here, this is the cervical neck pillow made out of memory foam. The first thing that I really actually liked about it when I unboxed it was that it didn't take too long for it to form into shape. I didn't have to wait for 10 or 15 minutes for it to look like this. And it didn't have any strange smells that sometimes pillows can have, which I really do appreciate.
Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention before we get started. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will leave a link for you to be able to do so in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission if you do make a purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you.
The next thing I really like about this that I actually don't see in a lot of cervical neck pillows is certain little kind of comfort bumps, so to speak. These are sort of like the impressions that you can imagine can kind of touch certain parts of your body and just give you a little bit of added comfort. So I do actually enjoy that. The next thing I like is the contours and how it's going to really give you a lot of comfort depending on how you like to sleep. So if you're somebody that likes to sleep on your back, of course, your head will go here, your head will be looking up to the sky, and your neck will be resting within this area of the pillow. This is memory foam, so you can depress the pillow and kind of have it form back into shape really, really nicely, which, man, I just think that's so fantastic. And then, of course, if you're a side sleeper, if you want to sleep on this side of the pillow and look this way, towards the wall or to the window, depending on how your room is configured, you can put your arm here on these, sort of wings of the pillow, so to speak. And the same thing, if you want to sleep on the left side of the pillow, your arm can kind of rest in this little well here on the side of the pillow as well. Now, I know there are going to be some people who are curious, how do you even keep this pillow clean? Because it does have a pretty nice, fabric when it comes to the pillowcase itself, and you want to be able to keep that clean over time. All you have to do is, unzip the pillowcase here. So you can easily unzip this like so, and you'll be able to take the pillowcase directly off of the pillow here. And again, this is memory foam. So you can see how sort of soft and really kind of like spongy and supple this is. It's really great. And then once you get this out of the washing machine and it's totally dry and everything like that, you can just come back here and then just immediately zip this all the way back. So I have to say I'm really happy with my purchase here.
If you're interested in purchasing this product, I will leave a link for you to be able to do so in the description. It is an affiliate link, so I will receive a commission if you do make a purchase, but it will be at no additional cost to you.